Hello traders, you're welcome to Tutorial channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to revert your Deriv account to the old version. So if you are familiar with the old version and you want to switch it back to the old version, then this video is actually for you. But this is what you need to note. There is actually no inbuilt feature on the Deriv account that actually allows you to switch it back to the old version. But I'm going to show you what you can really do. Right here is the home page of my Deriv account. So looking here, you can see the interface. You can go through the interface and see how things actually work on this latest version. Go through the options, CDF and wallets, and see how it actually works so that you'll be able to know how to operate it. But if you're actually having any confusion using the app, this is what you can actually do. Click on your profile. You can see the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. So when you click on that, right here you can see where it says Help Center. So you can easily click on the Help Center like this and click on Live Chat. But you need to make sure you've actually logged into your account. Click on Live Chat or go to WhatsApp and you'll be able to chat with the Deriv team one-on-one, and they're going to actually help you to resolve that problem and show you how to navigate through the app. So this is what you need to know. Hope this actually clears your confusion concerning reverting the Deriv account to the old version. Hope you found this video helpful. Now this channel is really for you. Now if you want more tutorials like this or tutorials on how to use the Deriv account, do what to hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell, and tell me the next topic you'd want to see concerning this app. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.